Hi there. Today, let's talk about the procedural rights and defense of foreign suspects and defendants in criminal proceedings in China. In China, anyone who is suspected of having committed a crime is called a suspect in the stages of criminal investigation by the police and examination by the public prosecution. He is then called a defendant at the trial stage of the court. Generally speaking, criminal suspects or defendants of foreign nationality enjoy the same procedural rights as Chinese citizens under the criminal law of the People's Republic of China and the criminal procedure law of the People's Republic of China, such as petition for recusal, defense, and a right to refuse to answer interrogations that are not related to the case, participation in court debates, appeals, complaint, and the right to file charges against the judicial personnel for infringement of their procedural rights and personal insults. Of course, criminal suspects of defendants of foreign nationality have the same duties as Chinese citizens. After a foreign suspect is detained or arrested, the police shall notify the embassy or consulate in China of the foreigner's country, of his name, gender, passport number, main facts of the suspected crime, and compulsory measures taken, etc. If a foreigner dies during the investigation by the police shall notify the embassy of or consulate of the foreigner's country in China. When handling criminal cases involving foreigners, the police should use the languages commonly used in China. If the foreign criminal suspect does not understand the Chinese language, the police shall translate for him. Before the end of the investigation by the police, if foreign diplomatic or consular officials in China request visits to the detained or arrested citizens of their country, the police shall arrange visits in a timely manner. During custody, with the approval of the police, foreign criminal suspects may meet with their close relatives and guardians and communicate with the outside world. In addition to exercise the rights to defend themselves, foreign criminal suspects and defendants may also entrust one or two persons as their defenders. Criminal suspects have the right to appoint a defender from the first interrogation by the police or the date when compulsory measures are taken. During the investigation, only lawyers practicing in law firms in China can be appointed as defenders. At the stage of court hearings, foreign defendants may entrust their guardians and close relatives to act as defenders. Defense lawyer may provide legal assistance to foreign criminal suspects during the investigation, represent complaints and accusations, apply for changes in compulsory measures. Knowing about the suspected crimes and case-related circumstances of foreign criminal suspects from the police, and provide legal opinions. Defense lawyers may meet and communicate with foreign criminal suspects and defendants in custody, where a defense lawyer holds a lawyer's practice certificate, a certificate issued by his law firm, and a power of attorney to request a meeting with a foreign criminal suspect or defendant in custody. The detention shed shall arrange the meeting in a timely manner, no later than 48 hours. Defense lawyers meeting foreign criminal suspects and defendants in custody can learn about the case and provide legal advice. From the day the case is transferred to the public prosecution for review, they can ask foreign criminal suspects and defendants to verify relevant evidence. Defense lawyers shall not be monitored when they meet with foreign criminal suspects and defendants. From the date when the public prosecution examines the case, the defense lawyer may consult, extract, and copy the case file materials of the case. Needless to say, for foreign criminal suspects suspected of felony crimes, experienced Chinese defense lawyers should be retained. In particular, China is a country that retains the death penalty. Among the 469 crimes stipulated in the criminal law, 46 crimes may be sentenced to death, including intentional homicide, intentional injury, drug smuggling, trafficking, transportation, manufacturing, rape, kidnapping, abduction, trafficking of women and children, production and sale of counterfeit medicines, production and sale of poisonous and harmful food, arson, breaching dikes, explosion, poisoning, robbery, etc. Thank you for watching. I am Charles Shen, the partner of Shanghai law firm. Should you have any Chinese questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Bye.